I'm going to tell you about canary bird. The canary or Cervus canaria is a bird that has a habitat origin from the Micronesia Islands, location in the Atlantic Ocean or in northwest Africa. The name canary is taken from the Canary Island when the French sailor Jean de Breton stopped there and saw the sound and beauty of the canary feather. Although originating from the islands, the canary is a triple orbit that is able to adapt in various regions of the world. Canaries are loved by humans because of their melodious voice and beautiful feathers that are colorful from yellow, white, green, and red. The cause of the canary's voice is always melodious and good because he likes several types of food. Among them are apple, seed, boiled quail, crottle, Hong caterpillar, like domesticated seeds, which are the canary's favorite food. Without walnut also like young noni leaves. In general, canaries are not included in the category of endangered animal because there are many kinds of different species and almost always exist in various parts of the world. The Malay canary or Chrysocorythus esteri has become a protected animal because its population has decreased by up to 50% in its natural habitat. Besides being kept at home, canaries are also widely bred by humans, especially now that there are many canary chirping contests in various places in Indonesia. So, many descriptions of canaries that I can convey. Thank you for great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.